Hey guys, welcome back to Broken Dreams Orchard. Just a little quick film. We came up this weekend. We got some ginseng seeds that came in that we wanted to plant because they call for rain all week. And then we haven't checked on the bees in a little while. But from what I'm reading, only about a 1/4 inch of layer do you need. So I roughed up an area up here. And I'm gonna do a couple. And hopefully these will grow. Like I said, and have a little harvest or something. But I'm just roughing the ground up a little bit. They don't need to be too deep. They said about a 1/4 inch. And then a layer of leaves to protect them. And they were saying, I guess, they best grow the ginseng with 80% shade. So we'll just cover them up with the little leaves, and we're gonna pick another section. Find another little area. Just rough this up a little bit. Hopefully we'll get a harvest. It's gonna take a couple years. That's okay. We have nothing but time.
Can we hold it?
Yeah. And we're just trying this for fun. If it works, it works.
I can't get it to stay up.
That's all right. We'll work them in. We'll cover these up with leaves. All right, we're gonna do a couple more spots, maybe 4 or 5 more spots. Then after this, we're gonna go check on the bees and maybe get Jamie to show you guys the bees. But we'll see you soon.
Bye, thanks.
Coming down the backside of our property. There's Broken Dreams. There's our place. So between both lots, it's like 12.5 acres. So we wanted to plant the ginsengs up deeper in the woods. Like I mentioned, they're saying they need 80% shade. We're supposed to get a lot of rain this weekend.
Wait.
We've been working some bush hog, but as you can see down to your right, we have a lot more to do. But right now the bush hog is broken. It won't be fixed till next week, thanks to my wife breaking it.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna go ahead and get our suits on, and we're gonna check out the bees. But you can see to your left, there's Broken Dreams Orchard, the cabin. All right, guys, take care.
Bye.
Go.
Welcome back to Broken Dreams Orchard. We're gonna do a check on the bees. Just the top.
Get Jamie involved this time.
I'm out of breath. I'm out of fucking shape.
Try to pick up the ones in the middle. It's been a couple weeks, so we're just hoping to see some comb up here for the honey. But being the
They're
first
busy up here, I hear 'em.
being the first year, we're definitely not going to be able to take any honey this year. That'll stay in there for them for over the winter.
No.
No comb yet.
I hear them though. No. Anything at the bottom? Not
No,
really.
just a little. So one thing I've been reading is, one thing we did and may have do different next time is we put the queen separator early on. So what I'm reading is that without the queen going up there, I guess it's going to take longer for the comb to be built.
Oh.
Where a lot of people allow the queen to go up in the first week or two. And then they capture the queen, put her in the lower two boxes, and then put the queen separator to get her, I don't know what it is, endorphins or whatever, so the bees know where to go. Nope. There's still... Sorry, I just dropped the phone. All right, so no comb yet. We'll keep our fingers crossed. It's the end of August, so I'm assuming they still have September and October before we, I guess, wrap them up for the winter and feed them and stuff.
Oh, that was fun. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
So welcome back to Broken Dreams Orchard.
We're good. So my wife made a good point. We're going to remove the queen separator. And then next weekend come back up and put it on to see if we can jump start it. Like I said, I don't know if this is the right time to do it this late into the season. We're new to this, so we're just going to give it a shot. Comment if you know if we're doing something wrong. Do a twist if you have to. Just let them be. They'll fly back in.
Oh, so then just leave them off?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, you got. They said
Those are our little buddies that we care so much for. So we'll come back next weekend and we'll put the queen separator back on and see if we can jump start it. Look at Jamie getting all dirty and down with the bees.
I don't mind doing this stuff.
With the suit on, she looks like the abominable snowman.
Or that mission, what the hell is that big, the blow up mission?
Michelin tire man. All right, guys, we'll keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully we didn't do anything devastating, but
Yeah. Bye, thanks.